Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to make an account on Snappa. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the address bar, type in snappa.com. You will see a login link at the top navigation bar. Click on it. Then, click on Create Account link. After that, type in your name here and your email address on this field. After that, type in your password. Now check this box here. After that, click on Get Started Free button. Now click on this button. Here you can see that you have created a Snappa account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.